So in this content, why I'm starting this vlog? Just to give you information guys. Ako si Josh, isang college student here in the Philippines, trying to figure things out in life, school, money, and how not to waste my 20s. Currently, I'm 20 years old. Malapit ang 21 on this year. And just to give you a heads up guys, I'm not perfect and I'm learning as well as you guys. But the thing is, I don't want to look back and regret not starting this content or vlog. And I wanted to track my record then. Ano yung changes in a month, 6 months, or even a year. I'll share what I'm learning about self-improvement, confidence, fitness, and even small money changes. So, kahit anong investment, since I'm just starting, expect na small ratio lang ng investment. And just in heads up again, hindi ako financial advisor. I'll just be sharing my real life experience regarding to this. So if you're also trying to level up in your life, hit subscribe button. Let's go. So we all know na maraming pressure ang dumadating sa atin once we reach the age of 20, 21, and up to adulthood. Isa dito yung future natin, work, and career natin, and even relationship. Sometimes feel natin left out tayo kasi yung mga kaibigan natin nagpa-party na, mayaman na, nag-start na ng family, and tayo sa bahay lang, chill lang, diba? Sana all. And that is why I'm starting this vlog. Ito yung para makita natin or makita ko rin sa sarili ko na we don't have to compare ourselves to others but to see ourselves as an individual who is already growing in their lives. Kasi hindi naman tayo lazy, it's just we lack clarity on things na ginagawa natin, such as ano nga ba yung future natin. Nalilito tayo kung ano ba yung gagawin natin, whether gusto ba natin maging teacher, maging engineer, maging lawyer, and other stuff sa life natin. Kung gusto ba natin yumaman, live a frugal life, magtipid, and shirtness. Bakit nga ako nagpa-vlog? So, I'm starting this vlog. First of all, I wanted to improve myself. Ever since estudyante ako, mostly nang ginagawa ko is to slack off, and I even have a record of tardiness and absences kasi I focus myself on playing games and etc. And I just wanted to share as well yung real life experiences sa buhay ko na this is not sugar coated, but a content that everyone can still relate as well. And lastly is I wanted to look back and see myself grow, kung ano nga ba yung pinagkaiba ko in the past and sa ngayon. And I know na hindi ako nag-iisa dito, sure yan. Marami sa atin gusto natin maintindihan kung ano ba talaga yung passion natin or ano yung calling natin, pero hindi natin alam kung saan tayo mag-start. So this vlog is all about taking action. Yung vlog na to is not to become perfect, but to know our clarity and understand kung ano ba talagang gusto natin gawin. So sa vlog na to, ano nga ba yung may expect natin? Expect natin yung real talk about sa life and experiences. Expect lesson, I read the books. Kasi habits ko talaga is to read books and understand its purpose. I've read some of the books such as yung Harry Potter by J.K. Rowling, 48 Laws of Power by Robert Greene, and currently binabasa ko yung Human Nature by Robert Greene. So most of my book that I'm reading is all about self-improvement, how to improve ourselves. And currently, yung virtual mentor ko na pina-follow is si Dan Martel. Ito yung entrepreneur na gumagawa ng business sa YouTube. You can search him out sa YouTube din pala at Dan Martel. Yun. And I'll show din kung ano nga ba yung mga ini-invest ko yung panahon kasi before naging part ako ng call center for 2 months. It is just a seasonal, so tinry ko na kung ano yung mangyayari. So it turns out well naman, okay naman siya, and ayun. So this vlog then and channel is for the students na gusto din mag-startup ng kanilang buhay and clear things up kung ano nga ba yung gusto nilang gawin. And for the dreamers na malalaking pangarap, gusto ba maging billionaire, maging millionaire, mapunta sa ibang bansa, etc. And also, for anyone trying to improve themselves and build themselves from the scratch. Baga, katulad ko, wala pa akong nararating, and I just want to track my record or progress. And if you're on the same journey as well, guys, follow and subscribe. Parang awa nyo na, de joke lang. Subscribe, guys, and comment down below kung ano nga ba yung mga gusto nyong improve sa sarili nyo and motivations nyo to continue your life. So, yun lang. Thank you for watching and see you again on my next video. Bye-bye.